Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I want to cover the brand new method for adding anchors on your Wix website. With this new classic editor with the addition of sections, they have made it 10 times easier to actually add anchors to your website. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's just pretend like this is our home page right here, and maybe we want to link to our section right here with our different services. So if we just click on the section over here, we can actually go ahead and click this and say rename section, and we can name this one services, just like that. So if we come back over here to the top, we can easily just link this to the anchor, which is a section anchor, and we want this to link to the services section that we just created, and we'll press done. So now when I press preview and I click start now, it's going to immediately take us down to the services section. But if we take a look here at this services section, maybe we want to do something different instead and actually link to the specific services on the page. So as you can see, we have 3 different services in that section. So maybe you do want to use the old method of using anchors. So we actually still have that option. So if we come over to add, come over to menu and anchor, we'll still see that we have these anchors that we can drag out. We'll call this one service 1. We'll do the same thing for service 2. And last, we'll do it for service 3. Then if we come over to the top, maybe we can duplicate this button real quick 2 times. This one can be over here to the left, and this one can be over here to the right. And maybe this one can be called service 1 or whatever your service is called. And we can link this to service 1 anchor. We'll call this one service 2. And of course, link it to service number 2. And last but not least, we'll name this one service 3 and link this to service 3. So now if we go ahead and press preview and we click service 1, it's going to take us down to where service 1 is. Service 2 will take us down to service 2, and then service 3 will take us down to service 3. So this method is particularly really good if you have a really long section with several different parts to it and you want to link to each one of those parts individually. However, the first method that I showed you was really good if you separate all of your content into its own sections, and you can easily link straight to those sections. Doesn't even have to be on the same page. But that's basically going to wrap it up for today's quick little video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.